king of the world!
They called her the Ship of Dreams.
Oh, forget it, Boyle.
What made you think that you could put your hands on my fiancée?
But history will only remember the nightmare.
Iceberg, going ahead!
But this ship can't sink.
She's made of iron, sir. I assure you, she can.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
You learn to take life as it comes at you.
Kate Winslet.
Put your hands on me, Jack.
Winner of 11 Academy Awards.
Well, I believe you may get your headlines, Mr. Ismay.
I always win, Jack. One way or another.
Titanic, the network premiere.
I'm not going without you.
Christmas Day at 5:45 on BBC1.